Balsamic vinegar. Hey Bins babes, it's your girl Mercedes McKenzie. Welcome back to my channel. So as y'all can see by the title, I'll be showing y'all how to achieve this easy slick back ponytail. This didn't take me long at all. Y'all know I'm not good at doing hair. Like, I don't like taking long. Girl, I can't even do baby hairs. Like, doing hair is not for me. Like, I'm the makeup skincare girl. I'm not good with the hair. So yeah, if y'all want to know how I achieve this easy ponytail in less than 10 minutes, then keep watching. Okay guys, so I just took my hair out the ponytail and I'm going to show you the products I'll be using today. So for gels, I'll be using the black gel. What is this? Protein styling gel, but yeah, black gel. Eco Styler. For sprays, I'll be using Gots to Be and olive oil hairspray. Well, sheen spray, but yeah. Just some coconut oil. This is from OGX. Is that what it's called? Yeah, I'm actually going to start with the coconut oil. So yeah, just get my hair a little nourished and moisturized. Let me do a little lint check real quick. I know my hair ain't long. But I'm going to grow out my hair this year. I actually had to cut off a good chunk, like about this much, because since I bleached my hair, my ends were looking raggedy and they still ain't really looking too hot, but it's because of the bleach, y'all. Like, okay, so I'm gonna get a metal rat tail comb, and y'all can get this at the beauty supply. And I'm gonna start in the center of my nose and go up. I'll start with the black gel. Actually, I lied. I'm going to part my hair in half using the rat tail comb. And I'm just going straight across, like literally half and half. Personally, I don't feel like the part has to be perfect. I mean, unless, you know, you a hairstylist, don't come for me. Because I know y'all about to check me. But, ooh, it has to be perfect because the hair on top is about to cover it. But this part is just to make sure that the hair is, like, real slick. Like, no lumps, bumps, none of that. So, I'm getting the black gel. And just placing that on the roots of my hair. Get a brush. I did not forget my kitchen. I know y'all was waiting on it. I didn't forget it. Alright, so there we go. I'm going to repeat that same step on the top of my hair. Let me know in the comment section how y'all feel about ponytails. Do y'all like low ponytails, high ponytails, you know, like the little genie ponytails? Or like, are y'all just like, I don't even like ponytails, period. If you don't like ponytails, why are you watching this channel? Is you trying to get into them? Like, what's tea? Let me know. Let me know. Oh, so now I'm just putting my hair in the ponytail now. So now I'm gonna lay these baby hairs, these fronts, cause child, they already lifting. Like, I'm gonna use my little toothbrush, smooth out my edges. And y'all, I'm gonna be honest, this is the step that I don't like. This is the stuff I don't like. I do not like doing baby hairs. Like, I am not a baby hair queen. I don't even like major baby hairs anyway, so. But still, even the little that I do, child, it takes me a little minute to get them right. So, bear with me. Bear with me. Yeah. I'm gonna get this headscarf. These are really tight, y'all, from when I was on drill team. But it makes the best headscarf, girl. Like, I've been using this for about 3-4 years now. But anywho, we're just gonna tie this up. So I'll be using hair from Celine Hair. I've already worn it, bleached it. It's the tracks. I'm gonna use this track right here. It's pretty lengthy, so yeah. And you will need bobby pins. I got mine right here. And I'm also gonna straighten this hair too. Like, it's already straight, but no, it ain't. I'm capping. Y'all see, like, it look raggedy. So, and it looks very brassy because of the lighting, but it's honestly like, it's not this brassy in person. I promise. I promise. I'm actually gonna take my scarf off real quick just so I can wrap this around my hair. I'm gonna get a bobby pin and just loop it. Can y'all see? But yeah, I'm gonna stick it at the end of the track. Don't mind my nails. Do not mind my nails. But I'm just gonna stick it right up. First, I'm gonna stick it at the bottom of my ponytail and just. So I'm gonna get another bobby pin and I'm gonna place this right above this track just to keep these and the others that I wrapped around in place. So this is the last track. Ugh. Yeah, this is a workout. But this is the last track. I'm going to get one last bobby pin. Well, not one last, but I'm going to get a bobby pin and place it right at the bottom. So you don't want to wrap this track all the way around to the top. You want to, like, leave it at the bottom just so it's hiding underneath the ponytail. Like, you don't want everybody to see your track. So now we're going to brush that out. I think it's matching pretty good so far, okay? So I'm going to get some hair from the back of the ponytail. I'm going to wrap this around where I just wrapped the tracks. And this basically helps hide the tracks. Like, so you don't see, like, tracks. Step basically hides the tracks. Makes it look more appealing. So I'm going to take a bobby pin. So, ooh. So this is the finished product of my ponytail. How y'all like it? Can I get a round of applause? I absolutely love it. Like, I feel like my hair came out real sleek, really laid. My baby hairs look good. Y'all know I kind of struggle with that. Oh, is that a little gel? I'm about to fix that right. But that is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, turn on my post notifications. Wait. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. So Instagram is Mercedes_McKenzie_. I'll leave that in the description box below. That's it for this video, and I'll see y'all later. Mwah.